YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be, what should I say, epic, exciting, long anticipated. I don't know. Well, I know you all have been dying to know what I got from Coach when I was in Boston, Massachusetts. And I have a reveal here, and I think these are still available on the website. I haven't actually used this item yet, but because it's taking me a little bit longer to get through any boxes I may have, given that I've cut back my number of videos per week, I went ahead and unboxed it. I didn't like having the boxes on my closet floor. So I have this beauty here to show you today. Can you tell what it is based on the shape? I bet you could venture a pretty darn good guess, but you don't know the color. Well, yes, you do know the color. I think I told you the color when I was at Coach, but let's go ahead and look at it because you haven't seen it in my closet yet. At least there's that bit of surprise. So I got the Coach camera bag in the color Pool. And why did I get this bag? Well, it was a steal, and it is still a steal. I will link it down in the description box. They've actually marked all the colors down to $147.50. I think that means that they may be discontinuing this style because they marked taupe and black and chalk all down, not just the green color and the pool color. They're all marked down. So if you like this style of camera bag, and I'm going to show you why you should like it, then I would say go ahead and go snap one up before they are all gone. I got mine for $147.50 because thank goodness the color I wanted got marked down right away. But now all of the ones that were marked down less or not marked down at all, they're all half off. $147.50. Compare that to Louis Vuitton prices, and it is a no-brainer. There's a really big zipper tab, and I like that. It makes it easy to open it up. I tend to go ahead and permanently attach the tag on the same side as the zipper pull whenever the bag is closed, just so I have all of the flappy stuff on one side. I wear my bag on my right hip, and so that's to the back when I'm wearing my bags. So inside I have a strap, and you can hear some rattling. I put another strap in there to show you today. But the strap of this bag is in a smooth leather, and it's super nice because it has the grommet details, which I absolutely love. I feel like it adds such a special detail to the bags, and I wish all straps had that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hook that on. And while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and move the hang tag over to the other side so I can show you what I am talking about when I say I like it all to be on one side. I do tend to hook little charms to my hang tags. I haven't done that with any of my camera bags, but maybe I'll go ahead and pull out my drawer of charms and see if I have anything silver to go on this bag while I'm at it. Here is my drawer of charms. I've got all sorts of charms in here, but I think they're all gold. Yes, they're all gold. See, I have a whole bag of tricks here, but no tricks for this bag. Aw, boo. I thought I had a feather or something in there, but no go. That's okay, because when you zip this bag closed, I'm going to go ahead and get my chain strap out. You guys have seen that before. When I zip this bag closed, I feel like with the hang tag and the zipper pull, it's enough on one side. You don't need to keep bulking it up with charms anyway. So let's go ahead and attach the other dog leash clip. Now, I always attach these with the clip part facing away from the bag when you're wearing it, and I do that to prevent it from spontaneously coming off of the bag. So a tour of this bag, there is a generous front slip pocket right there, and just in case you're wondering, yes, a phone fits in that pocket oh so easily. And I think this is about the size of a 14 Pro or a 13 Pro. I think that's what this was. Just slides right in there. It's not the biggest size, but it's pretty close. And if you look on the back side, there isn't a pocket, but you do have the front pocket. Doesn't seem to show any indentation on the outside, which means it's a nice thick leather with a lining. And by the way, the lining is like a beautiful blue to match the leather. Going on inside the bag, there is a pocket with a zipper, and the Coach Creed is right there. And then on the other side, there is no pocket. So we've got one pocket inside this bag, but it's generous enough. I mean, of course I can get my hand in it. I could probably get 4 hands in it. I don't see any trouble fitting all of my items in this bag. I do like that it has a somewhat slim profile, in that with crossbody bags, I don't like them to stick out from my body a whole bunch. If you measure it from side to side, and I don't have it starting at 1, you can see it's just a little bit more than 2 inches from side to side. So now I've showed you the top of the bag, the front of the bag, the sides of the bag, the bottom of the bag, and the back of the bag. You guys have a full tour of the bag. You just saw the inside. Let me go ahead and try it on for you. And once I do that, I can show you how the silver chain looks on it as well. I have this gorgeous Coach chain here, and I think they have modified these so they do not include the stitching on them anymore. But I'll link the bag and the chain down in the description box, as well as my shirt. I got this shirt from Zeagoo, and I'm going to do a video on Zeagoo again pretty soon. I really like their clothing. It hangs really well. It's very flattering. I've only had one thing that was a little bit small for being a size medium, at least in my opinion. The medium seems to fit me across the board. And I love this blouse. You can kind of see that it has some lines going side to side in the weave, and I love it. How freaking amazing this bag looks with the chain, with the strap it comes with. I mean, it is like chef's kiss. Mwah, gorgeous. I cannot be sad about this bag for $147.50. Holy snikes, that's a good deal. Anyway, let me go ahead and do a little turn so you can see how it goes across the back. The strap is nice and thick. A lot of the camera bags, the soft pebble camera bags, if they didn't come with a web strap, the strap was really thin. That's not the case with this particular style. We have a nice, thick, comfortable strap. And as you can see, the buckle hits me right here where I got some padding, not up here where I don't. So it is so freaking comfortable. Of course, you don't have to use the bag with this strap, but I do think it's a pretty accent and just dresses her up a wee little bit. Now, the reason I got this color, and I should have went and grabbed my son's Crocs, but alas, I didn't. I may have to do that before it's all said and done. But this is the color of blue, or one of the colors of blue of my son's sports team, and I thought, voila, I finally found a bag that's pretty darn close to the color of my son's school colors. So this is going to really pop when I wear red and a little bit of this blue. It's going to be amazing. Here is another example. It's a sweatshirt that has some graphic detail, and you can see, wow, look at how perfect it is with the school colors. Oh my goodness. I finally found the perfect blue. Now, I love the Busey bag I just got in the pale blue. I'm using that right now, and I'm telling you, it's pretty close to this blue, so it is lighter than this one is, but with t-shirt manufacturing for school sports, you get a whole variety of blue. It's not always going to be the blue, and this is the blue. And besides, I just love the Busey color as it is to wear for every day, not just for school sports. Now, I can wear this just for school sports if I want to, but I have a feeling I might wear it just a little bit more often than that. Here is one other shade of blue that I have with a school sports thing printed on the other side, and it's not a good match, but it's not too far off either. I just love this shade of pool blue, and it is a little brighter than I thought it would be. Hang on, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to go grab my son's Crocs. Now, these are just a wee bit dirty because he does use these, but they match his basketball uniform to a T. And when you look at it like that, you will see that, yes, I have indeed found the perfect shade of blue. And I love it. So if you love it, or if you want to pick up one of these fabulous soft camera bags in the dark stone, the black, the chalk, the blue, the other colors that I cannot remember the names of, I think there may be a flax, and there possibly might be a green, but I just can't remember off the top of my head. But if you want to pick one of these up, let me know in the comment section. I will link the link to get them 50% off down in the description box. And by the way, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.